Alright, so hi guys, this video I'm going to show you right now the review of the Neewer Lavalier microphone that I purchased, well, sometimes in the early 2016. So I got this on my package here, as you can see this package. So this pretty nice package. It comes with five of them. In fact, here is the five of them. See this? It's all five of them. So we're going to test the sound quality of this, and also going to compare the sound quality of this camera, what I'm going to be using right now, compared to this microphone that I'm going to be using with and without processing. So let's start the review, and also after the review we're going to do this sound test. Now this lavalier microphone contains on this kinda small ziploc over here that says Neewer, and Neewer, the website, the neewer.com, and including the price of it, the information, and it includes a detachable clip, which is you can adjust it on your needs. And also this is the foam right here. It handles well, rejecting the P sounds or the winds that come into your mouth when using the P word or the B word. So this is a pretty nice microphone, a pretty decent microphone for the price. I bought it on eBay for about $5, and this is a 3.5mm headphone jack, also microphone jack. So I recommend getting this. And also, please, for information, please don't use the internal sound card of your laptop or on your computer. Why? You're going to hear it later. Alright, so as you can see right now, the lavalier microphone is now plugged in on this laptop over here. So yeah, we're going to hear now the sound test. Alright, so we're going to begin right now this sound test of this Neewer Lavalier microphone, which is currently attached right now onto my t-shirt over here, since I'm wearing house clothes. So here's it right now. So right now what you're hearing right now is you're listening right now from the audio of these two stereo speakers of my Canon Legria HRF 606, correct me if I'm wrong, on this camcorder over here. Now let's record, and this is without post-processing. I'm using Audacity over here on the laptop, as you can see. So let's start. Alright, so as you can see, you're hearing right now the audio from this Neewer Lavalier microphone, and this is without USB sound card. Now I will tell you why you need a USB sound card for this, because this has, as what you're hearing right now, this has a 50 to 60 hertz hum from my laptop, because the culprit is this, the power cord. When I disconnect it, the 50 to 60 hertz hum will be just slightly eliminated. But for that, even though it picks up everything, because this is a omnidirectional microphone, this is a pretty good lavalier microphone, a pretty decent microphone for if you're on a budget, or if you're just starting on going on YouTube commentaries or something. So yeah, so this is right now the Neewer Lavalier microphone. So okay, so right now the next and the last audio recording that we're going to be here is with post-processing from Audacity. I bet you it is really good. That's why I don't need any USB sound cards into it. So okay, we're going right now, and let's switch now the audio. Alright, so what you're hearing right now is the post-processed audio from this Neewer Lavalier microphone and connected to Audacity, which is currently recording it right now. So as you can see, as you can listen right now, my voice got a little bit nicer, and also the background noise have been removed. So this program also can do some post-processing, so I'm going to do the post-processing audio on Audacity. So if you want to get a decent microphone for the price, and also if you are really low budget right now and you want to get decent audio from your videos, well, I recommend this Neewer Lavalier microphone right now. As you can see, I've switched the location so to get the best possible results. So would I recommend this product? Yes, I will. Alright, so that is about it on this video. If you like it, like it. If you dislike it, no problem. And comment down below for more if you have questions, and subscribe for more videos. Now, if you want to, process your audio on Audacity, there's a video tutorial on the internet which is from other YouTubers that I followed, and I followed that tutorial. The sound is really great. So also take note that this February we're going to shoot, me and my best friend Ivy, on the talk segment. We're going to use this lavalier microphone on the video, so you can listen to the microphone on action. So yeah, so that's about it. So hope you liked the video and the review, and see you again on the next video. And once again, bye bye.